Today we're going to install the Korky 2-inch toilet rubber flapper. First thing you want to do is take off the lid. Voila! Second thing you want to do is you may want to tighten the water. So when you open the valve, righty tighty. So the first thing I noticed the cord looks like that. This toilet has the red blue things. Toilet tablet things. So what I'm gonna do is you could drain the water if you need to. Flush it. So once the water's done, I go down and start unplugging this thing. This was damaged through the tablet that we had in here. Still here. Anyway, so you just take off these little things, and then you take off the cover. Should be easy. That's how you take out the rubber. Then we have the Korky. You have to throw in a little rubber. This is what you take on the end. What I'm going to do is place it right next to the tips inside the toilet. So, I'm going to plug it to the side. Really depends on how tight or taut you are in here. So I don't know, I'm fine with it. Well, actually no, just clip it in and see how it works. So I use 2 hands to clip it in here. It was fairly easy. It's like a buckle. Not a buckle, but clamps. So yeah, it looks like it works. I'm gonna test it out here. So yeah, the plunger doesn't go down yet, and it feels good. So I'm gonna test it out and turn back the water. So lefty loose read. Now the water's running. So one thing you want to check is the toilet. Make sure there's no leaks. So you notice the water's moving a little bit. That means there's a slight leak, and that's okay with me for now. I'm gonna check the tightness of the rubber flapper. So with some adjustments and touching the interior rubber piece, it seems fine. It doesn't look like it's leaking anymore. And there you have it. Now we turn the lid back on.